Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common problem that many Mac users might come across. Imagine having this handy Automator Quick Action that works like a charm in various applications, allowing you to search for selected text in a MySQL database and copy the results to your clipboard. Sounds convenient, right? However, here's the catch: this problem arises when this quick action doesn't show up on the contextual menu in Firefox. Frustrating, isn't it? You make all this effort to streamline your workflow, only to hit a bump in the road. But fret not, we've got a solution in store for you. In the realm of cross-platform applications, not all may handle Mac-specific features as expected. Hence, the quick actions may not seamlessly integrate into every contextual menu, like in Firefox. But fear not, the solution lies in the fact that quick actions or services typically make their appearance in the File Services submenu. A simple tweak in the workflow settings, changing the workflow receives content parameter to rich text, and a quick restart of Firefox should do the trick. Voila! Your time-saving tool is now accessible in Firefox's Services submenu. To wrap up, if you've been pulling your hair out, wondering why your trusty Automator Quick Action isn't showing up in Firefox, rest assured that it's just a matter of how different applications interpret Mac-specific features. By making a slight adjustment in your workflow settings and knowing where to look, you can seamlessly integrate your quick action into Firefox's Services submenu. And there you have it, problem solved. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy automating.